Lightning Link it is. Booyah. Alright, it's a 5-cent denom I got her on. And we're gonna play, got $80 in there, and we're gonna play it at whatever that is, $1 something. Let's try that. Let's turn her up a bit. I want that hold and spin bonus.
More noise than anything.
Yeah, they make you think you're winning.
Yeah.
Two of them. You need 6 of those chips. Come on.
Yes, you do.
Oh, I got 4. Come on. Yep. No. Get it? Come on, one more. There you go. That's a hit. Alright. Let's get that bonus.
It did not come up often, believe me.
What's that?
The bonuses do not come up often.
No, guess not. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Oh, look at that. Boom. Yeah, really. Okay. Come on. Yes, I got it. Holy
Small.
5 cent. That's like 2. They're all small, but this is where I can get like maybe mini or minor will drop down. Hopefully.
Because it's not 75 cents, it's 5 times that.
Hold and spin, baby. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that'd be
Yeah, okay.
$2.50.
Yeah, oh, okay. Oh,
What have you.
I see what you did.
All right, let's do this. 3 spins. 3 spins, guys. Come on, connect.
There
Yeah.
you go.
Come on. All right.
But even if you get 2, you still only get 3 spins. Is that it?
Yes. So you have to connect to another one to get your spins back too. So I'm down to like 1 more spin.
Find another one.
So this is my last spin, unless I connect another one.
Oh, come on, be nice.
Be nice. Connect. Oh, and that's it. But at least I got it, so I can't complain. I got it. Boom. Boom. Exactly. Ah, $20. I know. Should be more than that. So it should be like a 210. If only, eh? At least I finally got it. Cool. All right. See, you got the bonus too. Here, let me. Can I capture your bonus?
Sure.
Awesome.
I got it before and I got $2.
All right, let's try this. So you get to either choose between free spins and this feature.
Yeah.
You got to choose
I'd rather
one.
have the feature.
All right, girl,
Where
get
is
it.
it?
I think left. I chose right before, and I got spins. Ah, don't blame me.
It's okay.
But it's 100 of those is good. Those are wild guys. Yeah, that's good. So hopefully,
Those.
yeah. So you got like that's a good amount of wilds to come down.
Yeah, they don't come down very much.
Oh, you wait and see. You wait and see. Good luck.
Yeah.
9 spins. Come on. You get it. Come on, be nice to her.
We're not matching up, see?
Oh, get a retrigger? Oh, no.
See, nothing.
That's not matching up, no. Oh,
Look at that.
burn.
Yeah.
Come on, retrigger that. No. 2 spins left.
Terrible.
Come on. Get that there.
No,
A
that's
little,
it.
but that's it. That's nothing.
$3.
Oh,
That's terrible.
that is terrible.
It is.
Yeah. For the amount we're spending,
Yeah.
the bonus should definitely be over 20 every time.
At least get your big back.
Exactly. Oh, yeah, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, that's a shame. Come on. There we go. Come on again. No. That's where I want to go. I want to go to Las Vegas.
Hey, there you
A
go.
couple more years, I'm
Have
going to
you
be
ever
there.
been there?
No, I've never been there, no.
Oh my God, it's fun.
I'm saving up to go.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's fun.
The last chance spin.
I'll give nothing. There you go.
There you go.
Well, good luck to you.
Yes, you as well. Come on, look, I got it again.
You got- oh,
You
you
gotta
got
watch
it
this.
again.
Watch this now. That's $5.
That's $5.
Yeah.
Come on, get the big one.
All right, let's get this big one. I want like one of these progressives here. Come on, please, please, please. A hold and spin. All right, let's do this. 3 spins to get it. Come on. All right, give me something. Come on. Yay, yay. All right, all right. Come on, give me one of those. No. Come on. No, last spin. Come on. Get it. No way. She's tough. Oh, sorry. No, better than my last bonus anyway. Yeah, better than my last bonus. We're done.
Oh, yes,
See ya.
again.
Exactly. Might have to take that, guys. That's 2 bonuses back to back almost on Lightning Link. What time I got that? That poor old lady, she was pretty discouraged, guys. That's slots for you. Don't ever be discouraged. I'm at $111. You know what? That's a sign. 111, baby. Pulling out at 111. Have a good day.